Yes, it's a good morning to everyone. I'm Jaydan Lakshmi, working as a CRT Physical Science in KGBB Akanapet, Siddipet district. Now my topic is Lenzla. The scientist is Henry Sabzi Lenz. He is a Russian physicist. He's discovered the relationship between the electrical resistance and temperature. Before that, first stated law is describing the electrical inductance. But actually, what is the electrical inductance? Electromagnetism and electronics. Inductance is the tendency of the electrical conductor to oppose the change in the electric current as a flowing through it. But he is the most formulating the Lenz law in electrodynamics in 1834. The relationship between the bar magnet of this magnetic field and coil producer of the magnetic field is called the Lenz law. Okay, clear all of you? Now we will observe that is one of the definition of this Lenz law. Here the induced current will appear in such a direction that it opposes the changes in the flux in the coil. We will observe the bar magnet is a push to the coil. In this coil we will observe that induced current and same like that here magnetic field also is existed. That the relationship between this magnetic field and this magnetic field, that is the Lenz law is there. Now we will observe that bar magnet is pushed to the coil. In this coil of the one end is connected to the ammeter of the one end, and next to one end is connected to the ammeter of the his positive terminal. In this diagram we will observe that induced current, and we will observe that is a bar magnet and the coil and ammeter will be taken here, but here there is no motion of this diagram. And next diagram we will observe that coil and bar magnet and ammeter. The bar magnet is pushed to the coil, the current value will be his decreases, but here coil of the north pole, bar magnet of the north pole, a repulsion between existed as a coil and a bar magnet. And next one here, coil of the as a south pole, bar magnet of the north pole, here current is the decreases, but attraction between the coil and bar magnet. But these three diagrams is existed a relationship between the as a Lenz law. And here the momentum against to the repulsion and the moment against to the attraction, the two cases will be existed this Lenz law. Lenz law of this coil is always towards the rotation. Is not exist as a permanent law of the north pole and the south pole. Always is rotated that. But here bar magnet of the south pole, coil of the south pole, repulsion between existed. But here is a kinetic energy is the decreases is there. But here momentum against the attraction on that time, the kinetic energy will be as a more. That means the south and here north pole. But here existed to the Lenz law is based on the law of conservation of energy. But next one thing, Lenz law is the importance of the direction of the induced current. The two terms is very important to the this Lenz law. Just once to see that this video, we will observe that here the bar magnet and solenoid and ammeter bulb will be taken here. One of the circuit will be formed here. The bar magnet is near to the as a push to the solenoid. Induced current will be is formed, and here north pole and is a north pole. The flux is decreases through the coil. The coil is opposes the decrease in the flux. The ammeter value changes, bulb will be glow. But next here there is no momentum of the ammeter and bulb. And next one thing, the bar magnet here push to the solenoid, current will be flow to the coil. But here north pole of the bar magnet and coil of the is the south pole. The both are here attraction, he said. Attraction means his flux is increases through the coil. The opposites in the increase the flux. Okay, clear? But here ammeter values also changes. Bulb will be glow. Okay, clear? This is the Lenz law. But now his applications of his Lenz law. Lenz law is used in electromagnetics, brakes, and induction cooks, tops, and it is also his applied to his electrical generators and AC generators and card readers and is a microphones and the metal detectors. And here before that, but according to the Lenz law, is a continuously has a change in the attraction and repulsion between the north and south pole. Okay, clear all of you?